How to add Google Photos, your memories widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then navigate to the home screen page that you want to add the widget. Now touch and hold. Then tap on widgets. In here, scroll down and then tap on photos. So tap on Google Photos. After that, go down and then touch and hold on your memories widget and then drag it to your home screen and drop it. Next, select a frame style. And in here, you can try to resize it by dragging on the handle here. You can make it taller or wider or narrower. And that's it. And that is how you can add your memories pictures to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.